Hello, my viewers. My name remains Umoru, your Amadeus teacher. Today I'm going to be showing us how to do a very important topic in Amadeus. It's very, very important, and the topic is timetable. Timetable is very important in using Amadeus GDS. A lot of us don't know how to get a timetable of a flight. When does a flight travel? When does it fly? When do they fly? How long do they get there? How many times in a week do they fly? You will know that through timetable. So thank you for watching once again. Please like and subscribe my video and download if you want to, and watch and like and comment, ask questions in the comment section. Thank you so much. All right. Timetable is very important in Amadeus. It's very, very important. Timetable is an organized list usually set out in a tabular form, providing information about a series of arranged events. On the three-hand airline timetable display show schedule of such airline, including the duration of flight and etc. All right, let me just show us how to get timetable. Just go to help, timetable. The code is timetable. As you can see, this is a timetable. We can display timetable by arrival time order by Tango Alpha. We can display timetable by departure time order. We can display timetable by elapsed time order. We can display timetable in a neutral order. Can we see it? The following page, you can replace the following page. You can replace the timetable transaction code in entries with all this to obtain the following display. All right, this is timetable. The one I like using most is timetable by neutral. If I do timetable without the airline, without the departure date and the airline, it's going to look like this. For example, Abuja to London Heathrow, without the airline and without the departure date. This is what the system brought for me, line 1 and line 2. As you can see, Amadeus timetable to London Heathrow, Great Britain. This is today's time. Alright, line 1 says Lufthansa flight 595 are flying from Abuja to Frankfurt on the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This time, these numbers here represent days, because in the industry, the number of the days are represented by the number from 1 to 7, or the first two letters of the day. For example, Monday is represented by Mike Oscar, Tuesday Tango Uniform, down to Sunday, which is Syria Uniform. So now, but in timetable, the days of the week are represented by numbers, which is 2 is represented by Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, and 4 is Thursday, which means Lufthansa flight 595 flies Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from Abuja to Frankfurt. This echo you are seeing here is telling you the terminal. This plane is going to leave Abuja in Terminal 5, depart Abuja Terminal 5 to arrive Frankfurt Terminal 1, to leave Abuja 22:20 in the evening and arrive Frankfurt 5:30 the next day. The +1 means the next day. They're arriving the next day, as you can see. So connecting flight, it means that there's a connecting flight, which is this one. And this one here, this 33, if you can remember our previous class about how to encode and decode equipment, this is an Airbus 333. This is an Airbus. All right, now the connecting flight says Lufthansa flight 924 is flying Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Likewise, from the connecting point, which is Frankfurt, leaving Frankfurt Terminal 1, because it arrived Terminal 1, so it's still leaving Frankfurt Terminal 1 and going to London Heathrow, landing in London Heathrow Terminal 2, and it's leaving Frankfurt the same next day, like 2 hours. They will stay in the airport 2 hours, and which is 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. that same next day, to land in London Heathrow 40 minutes later. That's 7:40 that same next day. So this is the equipment they're going to use in this connecting flight. And this equipment, to get this equipment, you can just do not know equipment 3-2 Quebec. As you can see, this equipment is Airbus, as you can see. So let's go back. So now, and this line 1, the total time from this first flight and the connecting flight is 9 hours 20 minutes. The plane is going to fly 9 hours 20 minutes from Abuja to London Heathrow. The line 2 says Lufthansa flight 595 is flying only on Saturday 6th, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which is 6. From Abuja, leaving Abuja Terminal E, landing Frankfurt Terminal 1, leaving Abuja this time to arrive Frankfurt this time, connecting Frankfurt. This is the Airbus. So this is connecting flight. The same connecting flight. Connecting flight is a different flight. Lufthansa 924, flying on Saturday from Frankfurt to Frankfurt, to land, leaving Frankfurt Terminal 1, London Heathrow Terminal 2, leaving Frankfurt 7. The same connect. They'll connect the next day at 7 a.m. to land 7:45 in London Heathrow. This is the kind of equipment that is flying the plane, and this is the total time of the flight. Can we get it? Can we see it now? So let me put the date. Let me assume the flight is going to leave 5th of November. 5th of November. It's been the same thing. This is actually different from the previous one, as you can see. It's different from the previous one. This one is different from this one, because I have now put the date. I'm not specified. I'm not specific. Telling the system to give me timetable for 5th of November, Abuja to London Heathrow. All right, now the line 1 says Lufthansa flight 595 flying on the Saturday, Abuja to Frankfurt. I'm sure by now we must have known all this. What this mean? Leaving this time to get to this time, connecting Frankfurt equipment. The connecting flight Lufthansa 924 flying on the Saturday from Frankfurt to land in London Heathrow. The timing of departure and time of arrival, connect, and this is kind of equipment, and this total time 9:35 hours. The line 2 says Lufthansa is flying this Lufthansa flight 595 flying Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You see, Abuja to Frankfurt, same thing. What we have learned before. And this is it again. So let me now put the airline. Let me assume that I want to know another airline. I want to find out which airline is going to London. Okay, let me assume I want to use Ethiopia Airline. As you can see, we have line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. Line 1 says Ethiopia Airline flight 950 fly this day, means daily, from Abuja to Addis Ababa. This flight Ethiopia is flying from Abuja to Addis Ababa daily, leaving landing in Addis Ababa Terminal 2, leaving Addis Ababa, leaving Nigeria, Abuja this time, and landing Addis Ababa this time. Connecting. This is the connection at Addis Ababa. This is the Airbus 350. The connecting flight says Ethiopia Airline flight 700, flight Delhi 2 from Addis Ababa to London Heathrow, leaving Addis Ababa Terminal 2 to London Heathrow Terminal 2. Time of departure, time of arrival, equipment, and total time. Line 2, same thing. Line 2, as you can see, line 3, line 4. So hope this video help you to know how to get timetable and know when and how a plane flight depart from a city to a place, the days that the plane takes off. There's another thing I want to show about the timetable. It's not displaying here. Let me use another airline, Qatar airline. Okay, this is what we have done before. Let me change the airline to Turkish airline. Okay, it's not bringing it out. All right. Thank you so much. Sometimes we are going to be saying X, maybe X here, X here. You will see X here. The X means fly every day except the number of days you see. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. God bless you.